Alright, we've got an Ozroll battery powered controller that's not working the roller shutter. It looks like the lights are coming on okay, but there's not enough current to power the motor. So 9 times out of 10, it will just be a battery. These only last a maximum of about 5 years, give or take. Sometimes it will be a motor, or sometimes it will be the controller faulty. Here's the model number. This one's actually an RF version. So in the new battery pack, we've got some instructions, which we won't need. This is quite a basic job. It comes with its very own Torx key. It's just the long end that works. So the first thing you want to do is remove the single screw from the rear cover. So pop that out. Now it won't usually come out. You have to give it a bit of a tap, and there it is. Now the cover simply slides off to the bottom like this. So push this way and it should lift off. And there we go. This battery is on quite a large roller shutter. So it's lasted just over 3 years with quite a heavy use. So generally this would be the issue. We'll pop the battery connector off there and the battery will just simply slide out. So grab your new battery and slide it in top first under the lip. And then we'll plug in the battery power. Just like that. And just pop it down firmly till it clicks into place. And that's the battery done. We'll pop the date on there so we know when the battery was last replaced. It's always handy. Now the bottom of the cover goes in first and then it slides up under the slot. So give it a squeeze because it does have the foam inside, and then push the bottom up and that's it. Pop the Torx screw back in and do it up firmly. And that's our battery replaced. So we've still got a green light. But as we know, this doesn't mean the battery or controller is good. So we'll go and try it in the shutter. And unfortunately, it was the controller that was faulty. But I did play around with a few resistors inside and it did start working again, which is quite rare. Usually it's the motor. But yeah, this one is all good. And that's how you change the battery in your Ozroll battery remote.